Happy Friday, everybody. I'm Charlie Belcher coming to you from 4636 North Dale Mabry in Tampa. If you love history, if you love technology, you might want to come out to 4636 North Dale Mabry and check out Titanic and Immersive Voyage. It's a new exhibit visiting the Tampa Bay area now for a few weeks, and it literally puts you inside that ship, that fateful night. John Zoller is here to tell us about this. I've seen a lot of Titanic exhibits over the years, but I've never seen anything quite like this. As technology continues to improve, we can truly adventure ourselves into the past like never before.
That's right, Charlie. We're going into the Titanic like never before. You literally become a passenger. You've got the boarding pass in your hand
so
right
you're
here.
given a boarding pass as you get on board.
You become that passenger. You can really explore that whole story. We've got some great set recreations. Here we're in the story of the Titanic, why she was built. So immigration was a huge thing at that time. Millions of people every year coming across the North Atlantic. They had to build bigger and better ships. The Titanic was the result of that. And it was truly the marvel of the age. If you love technology, we've got great technology here. But Titanic herself was a technological marvel as well.
Sure, state of the art at the time.
And we learned that in this creation gallery where we see how she was built. We see some great artifacts from her construction. We learn about all those interesting techniques that were used to make her more efficient and more luxurious.
I like how the exhibit builds to where you end up eventually in a lifeboat.
That's right.
Surrounded by screens that you literally live out that fateful night. You live out the sinking.
You live out the sinking, and here we set it up. We show you this model of the ship that Joe's showing right now, and we tell the story of that there were actually there was enough room on these davits to add 3 times as many lifeboats. That would have allowed for lifeboats for all the passengers, but because the design would have been more cumbersome, they removed 60% of the lifeboats, which reduced the capacity. So on that fateful night, there weren't enough lifeboats for everybody. It all starts at the design process.
Well, and they thought it was unsinkable. They didn't think they'd really need them.
They said she was her own lifeboat. So that it's a great story. You learn all these little tidbits along the way in Titanic and Immersive Voyage.
How do people get tickets?
Expo-Titanic.com. We're open every day except for Tuesday, right here at 4636 North Dale Mabry, right by the stadiums. So
that's right.
Drop off your significant other at the ballpark and come and see the show. Bring the kids to the show.
Charlie Belcher, Fox 13.